Welcome to Village Banking app. In this video, you will learn how to save money, how to add deposits to the app. You have already signed up. You have already created accounts. If you've not done this yet and you're not sure how to, please watch the other videos. When I click Accounts, I can see that I have a simple account called Lusaka Savers that starts this month in November 2019 and goes on until April of next year. When I select Compound, I have the McKinney Farmers that is already done. It started in June of 2019 and ended in August of 2019. Now, this is what's so nice about this app. You may have belonged to various Village Bank accounts, various groups, and the cycles may be finished, but you can still add them here in the app, and the app will faithfully record what you do, and it will faithfully calculate how much money you should have been paid. That's the best part, isn't it? So let me go back to the home page, and I'm going to add deposits. So I'm going to tap or click Deposits. And I have to choose, is this a deposit from McKinney Farmers or Lusaka Savers? So here's where you need your receipts or whatever you need to remember what you did. You can verify this with the treasurer of your particular groups. I will go with McKinney Farmers first. And I'm going to add a deposit. This is where I saved money at the group meeting. So I come down here and I click the little plus sign. And I just want to show you something here first. You put in the amount and you select the date, and it does not matter which one you do first, but you must do both. Let me just show you something with select date. I choose select date. Now watch. Notice the calendar. I cannot go past August. You know why? Because that particular account, when I set it up, I said we were only making deposits June, July, August. So I cannot go past August. But I can go back. I can go back to July. I can go back to June, but I cannot go before June because the account only went for those months. So back in June, we had our meeting on the 9th. And let me select OK. And I put in, I can't remember. I think I put in 500 kwacha. And I'm going to click or tap Add. Now watch what happens. Deposit amount should be equal or more, let me do that again, should be equal or more than the minimum deposit amount of 1,000. Do you know why it said that? Because when I created the account, I said the minimum amount that the group expects me to save every month is 1,000. So I think, oh, that's right. I did not put in 500, I put in 1,000. So you see, the app will make sure that you're putting in at least what the group expects. But you have to remember, what did you actually save on that day? And you can always double check with the treasurer of your particular Village Bank group. Well, on the 9th of June, this particular year, I put in 1,000. I will click Add. And when I go to deposits again, I can see that for McKinney Farmers, here's a deposit. If I need to, I can delete. Watch what happens when I tap this. You want to delete? No, yes, no. I can also edit. I can say, oh, I was wrong about the date, or I was wrong about the amount or something. So I have flexibility to edit or delete. Well, I'm going to put in another deposit. In July, I put in 1,000. And let me select the date. So in July, we met on the 20th. Let me select that and click OK and click Add. And look at deposits again. And I see both of these deposits in McKinney Farmers. And let me add one more because I put in money in August. And in August, we met on the 4th. And let me tap OK and tap Add. And so here are, when I tap Deposits, my 3 deposits from McKinney Farmers. Now, The Lusaka Savers group is a new group. We only just started in November, but we did meet and I did put in money. So I'm going to choose Lusaka Savers, which I have not recorded anything yet, and I'm going to click the add button. And in Lusaka Savers, I put in 500 kwacha, and I put it in when we met on the 9th. And I click OK. I tap OK and I tap add. And when I go to deposits and I choose Lusaka Savers, I can see that amount. So this is how you make deposits. And you can make deposits for all of the accounts you have. You might belong to 1 account, 2 accounts, 10 accounts, I don't know. And you put in the deposits. And this is how you can properly record the money you have been saving in your Village Banking accounts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to see your statements.